Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that cos pi power 6a minus sin pi power 6a equal to cos 2a bracket 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2a. So let's take the LHS left hand side, cos 6a minus sin power 6a. So I'm going to do some modifications, so we can write this cos a square a and power 3 sin square a power 3. Now we already know the formula called AQ minus BQ. The formula is A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. So we can break this in the form of AQ minus BQ. So here A minus B, suppose we assume this one A, this one B, minus is there, Q is there. So A minus B, that is cos a square A minus sin square A. Now thereafter A square, that is cos a square is there. Now B is the sin square and there is square, thereafter AB, cos a square into sin a square. Now hereafter there is formula called cos 2a, cos square a minus sin square a is the formula. So in place of this we can write cos 2a. So this part it has come. Now hereafter the next is, so sin here, this one it comes sin power 4a and cos power 4a. After that cos a square a sin square a. Now between these twos we can take the common cos square a. So here writing cos 2a sin 4a and taking common cos square a is the common. So here cos square a, that left, and here this part cos square is the common, sin square that come. So there is formula called cos square a plus sin square a, the value is 1. So write cos 2a. Now hereafter sin power 4a cos square a, and this value is now 1, cos square a multiply with 1, the value come cos square a. Now this all in the form of sin, so going to change this in the form of sin. So here we can write cos square a so we can write cos sin 4a. Now here we can write 1 minus sin square a. Now here cos 2a and 1 I write first, thereafter sin 4a, thereafter going to write sin square a and sin power 4a. Now thereafter what I'm trying to do, so this that I'm trying to do here, sin square going to take the common, minus sin square. So this place that come 1 and here minus taken, so this is now changed to minus and sin square that come. Okay, now hereafter 1 minus sin square a cos 2a. So sin square right, 1 minus cos sin square a, that is cos square a. Now finally I have done almost sin 2a. The formula 1 minus sin square is the formula is cos square a. because you already know cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. If I make that on the right, so cos square a hereafter 1 minus sin square a, that will come. So in place of this we can write this one. Now hereafter the next is sin 2a. So we already know sin 2a, the value is 2 sin a into cos a. So we need to change this one into the formula this like this. So here write cos 2a 1, and this place we can write sin a into cos a whole square. Now if I do what here, so if I here write 4, so I'm going to write this place 4, and that is called here 2a square, that is 4 square, so cos 2a. Now hereafter 1, so 4 we can write 2a square, so here a square also there, okay, this plus 2a square is there. So now we can put inside 2 sin a into cos a square, and in down 4. So here now finally 2 sin a cos a we can write sin 2a, so cos 2a hereafter 1 2 sin a sin 2a we can write, and a square is there. Either we can give the power full or you can give the power at this place, and there you can write 4. Okay, so here 1 by 4. So finally I got, or you can write like this 1 by 4 sin square 2a. So LHS equal to RHS. It's proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. Prove that, taken LHS and did some little calculation, remember the formula. After that you can easily solve the question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.